Hey, hey, hey! Japan, Japan, Japan! I know Japan for their beautiful art, high respect culture, and friendly attitude. But sometimes Japan did the creative part out of hand. What is this? What is this? Including this one called One Click Award Place from a good in Japan. What is that? Basically some sort of website that hosting creative design and sometimes job application. If you win, you get money and can redirect you to possible job on Japanese big company. Amazing! But our focus here is Adobe Flash creation in One Click Award on Recruit website. What's that Flash OS? For starter, it's kinda bizarre. It justice? Let me. Oh. Excuse me. What is this? Why there are Japanese middle-aged people carrying a big cursor here, there? Well, this is the content, ladies and gentlemen. I cannot believe what I saw. Basically, your cursor, yes, you heard that right, turn into this within the range of the circle area. But you can only mess around with left click that makes this Oji-san do squat until sometime they get tired and look at that. You okay, Grandpa? You look like you need a little bit of relaxation here. Nonsense. It's party time. Next one is simple digitized animation with volume adjustment called analog. You just need to click the pen, is this a pen? And adjust the volume and watch these hands do the trick. Cool! Sadly only this that I can show you. At least the music is not bad. Sadly only one music too. But also the next one as well, with one eerie music alongside this creepy sculpture. What is this? What is this? This is some sort of vaporwave thingy, which I like sometimes. Or some sort of backrooms nonsense. Because this is also nonsense. What you do here is just click the name of this title. Yes, that's right. Back to basics like kindergarten to change the background. Just that, sadly. Well, at least the music is kinda uncomfortable with this sometimes distorted sculpture. Japanese, ladies and gentlemen. Japanese, but hey, still cool. Including the next one that kinda exaggerated. It's called Chojin, and I think it's kinda incomplete, but I'm not so sure about it. Basically, it's kinda interactive movie about this guy that like to aggressively thrusting with his finger, including when his girlfriend, I guess, sneezing toward him and launch those roids in the air dramatically, and we have to repel them one by one. Or you just not do that and the outcome is different. Interesting, I must say. But sadly, this is the end with black screen and banging music. I like it. Remind me of Digimon World 3 music. It's just awesome, man. Listen to it. But the next is kinda underwhelming to say the least. It's called Cubo. Basically, you move your cursor to this semi-transparent glass cube and system breaks. Just that. Well, but not quite. At some point, there is this moving border just like that Resident Evil laser scene, moving toward the screen. The purpose? I really don't know about this. Sometimes you can get to the next area with different color and glass cube formation, but mostly you will get black screen. Good. Next one is kinda simplistic about message. Yeah, just this only. Yeah, just this. Basically some sort of ether game if you think it is. About complaint and struggle voices of many persons searching a job, quit a job, or wanting promotion. Then the ad start at the end of it. asking you to work for Kansai Company. Not bad for an ad by using people's voices to advertise your company. Interesting. Next one is kinda simplistic again but bizarre. It was some sort of main pages but it full of Oji-san like this. I am not kidding. This is what looks like. What even is this? Why there are duplicates of middle-aged balding Oji-san standing around doing various idle animations? Or you can click on them for extra animation, which is questionable, but cool I guess. Okay, next one is pretty creative and it's involving katakana kanji writing. I guess, Kana Hodoki. The first thing first is this title screen with these three words. You can choose one of three with different effects. What effect you ask? To interact with these writings that if you touch them with your cursor, they begin to fall off and sometimes they got stuck so you have to touch them again. Cool. And of course, you can reverse it back by, of course, touching them again on the ground. Pretty interesting to see the creative minds that can bend the reality even though through words. I mean, fall down like a leaf, like a noodle, or break apart to pieces? Cool. But the next is kinda cool, but concerning. I get a censor it. I'm so sorry. I am not kidding. I have to censor it because YouTube. Get it? I can even fathom what even is this about? Alien landing on Earth? I guess circle of life or reliving memories or just being perfect. I don't know. Basically, all you need to do is to reach woman's double if you know what I mean. And press the button there. No, I'm not kidding. That's the objective in here. Did you feel it now? Did you feel it now? That are pressing in your pants? That is the whole reason you do in this game. But that is not easy to reach the button. You know what I mean? You need to move your cursor to decrease the number below to 0. The only way to beat this game. But pay attention to not left click or you got pulled back like 4 or 5%. But at least not from beginning. And only then you can reach that creamy source and touch it. With fire in it? What? Huh? What was that? Thank you for the word wonderful love? You mean this woman is my wife? Am I talking my wife's refinery? That's it? Yeah, okay. Okay, next one. I cannot stress enough. Othello, but with Oji-san as the white side while the black side is his hair. Yeah, it's clever, but this game caused me headache because the AI is tough, man. I'm not making that up. It took me almost an hour to beat this game that he constantly mocked and taught me. Like the game ever satisfied enough from beating me. Oh, you think just that? At some point, Oji-san can do this.
Oi, みんななんやどこ
What is that? What is that? Did he just power up to screw me over? How's that fair? How's that fair? He literally turned my disc randomly. Like, magic, you like that? No, I don't like that. But I'm not gonna give up and put my focus and intelligence on the test. And I did it. Yeah, that's how I like. Although the AI kinda just want to give up sometimes. Don't pity on me. Bottom line, don't let any enemy gain control of the edge. That's it. Alright, the next one is nothing more but tap water for a long time. That's it. I even waiting for 10 minutes long, nothing happened. But if you notice this number, actually the game show the time in your area. As you can see, I record this game near midnight, which I can do this despite loud noise. And the last one is the same as Kana Hodoki, except this is more like animation showcase. The same as that, but you need to click moving world to see the animation. And I must say, crazy, creative, and madness out of nowhere. One is showing many eyes, one is just American dude eating to death, yes, eating too much. and fill the screen with his belly, literally and figuratively. One is marathon run and yeah, nice try, buddy. Even sneezing is unique, but gross. After you saw all of them, the last secret one is emerged, and yeah, let's not talk about it. And there you go. One click award from Meiko that literally one of the epitome of Japanese madness. Unique, bold, too much but understandable, and straightforward. And I hope Japan's still doing stuff like this, like no other. Unique beyond imagination. So, thank you for watching and see you next time. Ciao!